You know what I love? When Meta quietly drops a feature that actually makes our lives easier. And they finally added a feature that I always wanted inside of the Ads Manager. So if you've ever stared at a wall of ad data in your Ads Manager trying to spot the winners and the losers, this new feature is going to save you a ton of time. And it's called Conditional Formatting, and it just went live inside the Ads Manager yesterday. Not in some separate reporting tool or third-party Facebook ads tool, right in the main Ads Manager where you run your ads live. But let me show you how it works. So we're in this ad account here, and what you can see is if I click this little drop down, you see conditional formatting. So I click on this and I can add different conditions. So let's just say if the cost per result is less than, let's do $35 in this case, then I want green. And this is really helpful for things like cost per result, things like CTR. If we go in here and if we look at click-through rates, so let's just add one here. So if I go to this, conditional formatting, just say if the click-through rate is greater than 2, I want it to be green. And then I can add something like if the click-through rate is less than 2, you can make it red. And then they also have yellow and blue. But this is super helpful, and I'm going in and adding all of these to all our ad accounts based on our KPIs, and it's helping me analyze ads so much faster. So this is super, super useful, and I'm glad they have this because I know there's other third-party tools that you can, have different heat maps and all of that. Now having it within the actual Ads Manager, this is literally a game changer. And what does that mean? That means you can instantly see which ads are crushing it and which ones need to be cut immediately. Another good one to add is CPMs. If your CPMs are too high, you can also make that red. So I'm just going to do this. CPMs are that. But if CPMs are less than, green. And then, of course, you can add a yellow in there to have something in between. And let's see, cost per clicks would be a good one. Frequency, landing page views, cost per appointment, all of those will be really good. But this is super useful, and I would recommend you add this to all of your ad accounts to make it easier for you to analyze your results. It's simple, visual, and actually very, very useful. Now look, this won't magically make your ads better, but it will help you make faster decisions. No more digging through the numbers, no more guessing which ad set to pause. You get a really nice visual right in the Ads Manager. So you can scan the colors and make a decision. Tiny update, but a big win. If you're running Facebook ads and you're not using conditional formatting yet, make sure to set it up today because it's actually very, very useful. And hey, if you want someone to actually make sense of your data, build high-performing campaigns, and help you scale your ads profitably, click the link in the description to work with our agency, Great Marketing AI, or go to greatmarketing.ai and book a call with our team. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more no BS Facebook ad breakdowns, and I'll catch you on the next one.